Hey everyone, Gurky the Gotcha Grinder back here with the second part of creating your own game video. So we created a basic game where you create a character, name. It makes random attributes. There's a game log. There's tabs for equipment and things like that. All right. In between videos, I changed this to where when you click on an adventure, it does one at a time and it's not a continuous loop. All right. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make some changes. I want 3 options to play the game. I want go on an adventure to be changed to battle. I want an option to harvest resources called harvest. I want the third option to be called crafting so we can use our resources to craft items. Let's see what this does. So the old Go On Adventure button has been replaced with a Battle button, which has the same functionality as before. A new Harvest button lets you gather basic resources like wood and stone. A new Crafting button allows you to use your gathered resources to craft a wooden shield. The game log will inform you if you don't have enough materials. Alright? Alright, so we're going to go battle. We're going to see what it does. Find a rusty sword. You start gathering resources. You harvested 1 resources from the forest. So we have 1 stone and 2 wood. You've been getting crafting. You don't have enough wood to craft a wooden sword. So place the recipe for wooden shield in the tab for crafting and make it clickable. Show the resources required to craft as well. I'm telling you, the sky's the limit. We haven't even assigned the attributes to anything yet. The crafting tab now displays the recipe for a wooden shield, including the required resources 5 wood and 5 stone. A new craft wooden shield button has been added next to the recipe. This button is only enabled when you have the necessary materials in your inventory, and clicking it will consume the resources and add the shield to your inventory. Alright, Gurky. Look at look at this, man. This is fucking awesome, man. So we're gonna harvest. Alright, so we need oh, we're getting herbs too. You can change all that. We need 1 more stone. There we go. You've successfully crafted a wooden shield. Wooden shield. That is awesome. Alright. So what I'm doing here is I want the equipment slots to be main hand, offhand, and armor. I want a completely separate screen for my character equipment. Also make the gear that can be equipped have a button to equip them. When the gear is equipped, I want the equipment to affect my character's ability to attack and defend better. We're trying to use simple changes and simple modifications for this. There's now a dedicated equipment tab where you can see your equipped gear in 3 slots: main hand, offhand, and armor. Equipping items. When you acquire an equipable item, an equip button will appear next to it in your inventory. Stat bonuses. The rusty sword now provides an attack bonus. The leather tunic provides a defense bonus, and the newly crafted wooden shield provides a defense bonus. Improved combat. The battle system has been modified to factor in the attack and defense bonuses from your equipped gear, making combat more dynamic and strategic. Telling you, man, this shit's awesome. So we're going to go with Gurky. Alright. So boom. Crafting, inventory. So we're going to harvest. I know, this is going to take a minute. Alright. So we're going to craft the wooden shield. We're going to equip it. We have a wooden shield, and we're going to unequip it and equip it. That is so fucking awesome, man. So this is what we're going to do. Under the attributes section, can you add information to show attack power and defense power that changes when gear is equipped? Can you also add a crafting recipe for the rusty sword and leather tunic? You can now start to gather materials, craft your gear, and watch your stats increase. The sky's the limit here. I'm telling you, you can actually have this make a system to where it'll save the information to your computer if you want to continue playing. You can make this multiplayer, and Gemini will do it all for you. So we're going to go here. Gurky. Crafting. We now have items. Our attack power and defense power is 13. Okay. Alright, we're just going to go harvest for a minute. Anyway, can we craft anything? We can craft the rusty sword. It's crafted. Attack power went up by 5. You can do all of this. This is nuts, man. Alright, anyway, we're going to end this second video, and I'm going to make a series out of this, and then at the end we're going to make a fully playable game with quests and everything. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.